Students, welcome to the next chapter of trigonometry. So, sixth chapter is trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. So, let us start with sixth chapter. So, first, let us see the learning outcomes. After watching this whole series of video based on trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles, student, you will be able to understand the multiplication formula. You will be able to solve formula based on multiplication formula. Student will be able to understand the submultiple formula and also will be able to solve the formula based on submultiple formula. Means you are able to solve the problem based on multiplication formula and submultiplication formula. Now class, let us start with sine 2 theta. Multiplication means, see, like addition and subtraction. In addition, what we were doing? In compound angle formula, what we were doing? We were finding cos A plus B or cos A minus B, right? In compound angle, we are adding or subtracting the angles. In multiplication, what we were doing? In multiplication, we are multiplying the angle. So, suppose angle is theta. So, I am multiplying this angle theta with number 2. Okay. Again, angle is theta. I am multiplying this angle with number 3. So, like that. So, multiplication means multiplying the angle with numerical values. So, sine 2 theta. Now, class, can I write this 2 theta as theta plus theta? Okay. So, sine 2 theta will be sine theta plus theta, which is a compound angle, right? So, we can apply compound angle formula here. Now, sine theta plus theta means sine A plus B, right? And sine A plus B formula is that is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B, right? From compound angle formula we know sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin theta plus theta will be a sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta. Now second term cos theta into sin theta, A into B is same as B into A, right? Both mean same. Either you can write 2 into 3 or you can write 3 into 2. Answer will be a 6 only. So, cos theta into sin theta is sin theta into cos theta. And this is nothing but sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. And by adding these two terms, we get 2 sin theta into cos theta. So, first, sin 2 theta, okay? If theta is twice or multiply by 2, then sin 2 theta will be a 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is the formula. Formula is sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Then for sin 2 theta, there is one more formula, okay? Sin 2 theta, as we can see earlier, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta, right? Now, can I write this 2 sin theta into cos theta as 2 sin theta into cos theta upon 1? Okay. Now, this one can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. What I am doing? First sin 2 theta, I know sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta into cos theta, right? I can write this whole term as upon 1, right? I can write any number as 2 upon 1, right? Any number upon 1. So I am writing this 2 sin theta into cos theta as 2 sin theta into cos theta upon 1. Now this 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, I am putting 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now I am going to divide numerator and denominator both by cos square theta. So after dividing numerator and denominator by cos square theta, I am getting 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos square theta upon sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Now 1 cos theta cancel. So numerator is 2 sin theta upon cos theta. In denominator what I am getting? Sin square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta cancel, so 1. Okay, so finally what I am getting? 2 sin theta upon cos theta means 2 tan theta. Then I am taking this 1, right? So 1 plus this sin square theta upon cos square theta will be a tan square theta. So finally what I am getting? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so for sin 2 theta, I am having two formula. One is 2 sin theta into cos theta and the other one is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So whenever I want to convert sine in sine and cos, then I use the formula 2 sin theta into cos theta. And whenever I want to convert sine into tan, then I will use the formula 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, it depends upon the what I am interested in. Okay, so with this I am concluding this video. In next video we can see the formula for cos 2 theta. So thank you students.